open the file using WinRAR or any other extraction software. Double-click the adjustment program file. Click Select. Choose your printer model in the Model Name tab. Select Auto Selection in the Port tab. Select Particular Adjustment Mode. Select Waste Ink Pad Counter. Then click OK. Check all 3 pad counter boxes. Then click Check. Check all 3 pad counter boxes again. Then click Initialize. Click OK to start the reset process. If you see the message, please turn off the printer. It means the reset was successful. Now turn off the printer for a moment. Then turn it back on. Your printer is now ready to use.